Hey guys, what's going on? So I just wanted to do a review and update on the lights that I just installed in the G-Wagon. It's nighttime now, just so you can clearly see the lights and I can give you my feedback to them, and yeah, so let's give them a shout, see what's going on here. There they are, lit up when I unlock the G. My review on these guys when I installed them is they're awesome. I actually love them. The lights are amazing. When you lock, it does a sequence on both sides. And you can see it there again. My only concern, and I may take these out, there's a seal in the back. I want to make sure that that seal is actually sealed against the frame of the car, just because I don't want any water to get in there. But they are nice smoked gray, and I'll tell you the company name actually that I got and what they are. They are, give me a second here. And this is the brand, IJDM These are the smaller lights. These are the smaller lights of those guys that will be going right underneath. It's the reverse light, and that's what they look like. They're honestly beautiful looking. And I totally recommend buying them. My only concern with those was, there it is in the background there. My only concern with those lights was those, what are they called? Sorry. I can't remember. The resistors, I believe? Yeah, the resistors in the back. So when I was hooking them up, they heated up quite hot, and I didn't know what to expect with them. So I emailed the company. They replied to me in like a couple of hours, which was pretty sick. So after I got a couple of replies, they said don't worry about it, they do get hot, but how they were mounted, they were already pre-mounted onto the lights. I don't feel that they're going to melt the lights or any of that. There were 3 of them to, I think, dampen the heat sink, and they're fairly inexpensive to replace as well. So actually very inexpensive to replace. I think I paid about $300 for the lights. So if you guys have any questions or comments, yeah, feel free to ask, and click the subscribe button. I got some more videos coming your way. And we'll go from there. All right, have a good night, guys.